is this idiot doing? What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another banger on the channel. As you see, this is a different type of video. We got the cam on to be able to do a POV drive for you guys. If you guys didn't know, my Camry is Catless. We're not gonna drive too crazy, but we're gonna start the first video. I'm driving to work right now. But yeah, we're just gonna talk about what I got plans for this car, stuff like that. But if you guys want to see how the steering wheel works, you guys want to hear the car, then that's what we're gonna do in this video. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about these videos. Should I keep doing these type of videos? And let's get straight into it. Alright, car is warmed up. We're at our ride height, and we're gonna do a little bit of an angle to get out of the driveway, just because I don't want to scratch the front lip or anything. Yeah, let's do this. This is my first video I'm doing a POV drive with, so let me know in the comments down below. What do you guys think? Should I do videos like this? I'm not sure. You know, let me know about the camera angle. I am using the Insta360, so I don't know how that's gonna be. Yeah, do not question why I have red seats with a blue steering wheel. That's gonna be fixed soon, but do not worry about that. We should be good. I'm not really used to this, so you know, bear with me guys, because it's my first ever POV drive video, so I don't know what the hell to be talking about, because I've never talked like this while I was driving. Really hoping you guys enjoy this, because this is definitely some different type of content. We got a bunch of stuff planned, but if you guys didn't know, I did recently start a company called KBTuning. Our main platform is Instagram. We have about 32,000 followers on there. The steering wheels, shift knob, I don't know if you guys see this custom shift knob, the custom paddle shifters. But if you guys want to purchase any parts for your 18 to 24 Camry, then KBTuning is the perfect company to hit up. They got the lowest price for most parts: headlights, taillights, body kits like front lips, diffusers, side skirts, side spats, whatever you guys want to call it, we got it. But yeah, I'm glad to be making this type of video, because I've always wanted to do a POV drive type thing. My view is a little bit obscured because of the way I have the camera set up on the visor, the sun visor, whatever you want to call it, but it's all good. We are driving to work right now, so you know, obviously nobody wants to be recording themselves driving to work, but if that's what you guys want to see, we'll do that. And hopefully, if all goes well, we won't have to be driving to work anymore. Let's get another lane. I'm probably gonna title this something crazy like "Cutting Up in a Catless Camry" or some bullshit like that. But when we get on the highway, I'm not gonna push it, but I will go to at least 3,000, 4,000 RPM. It would be really funny if on this drive we were to get pulled over. That would be hilarious, honestly, but hopefully not. Let me know what you guys think of the camera, you know, the quality of the video, the audio. I want to know what you guys think about all that, because I want to make sure I'm posting the best content and best quality for you guys. And yeah, if you guys did watch my last video, we installed an AEM cold air intake on a car. If you guys do want to purchase that, or if you're in the tri-state area, New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, and need any installs on some parts you got laying around, or you want to purchase some parts but you're too scared to purchase them because you don't know how to install it, you could DM me on Instagram or comment down below in this video, your Instagram or whatever, so I can hit you up and we can talk about maybe installing it for you. But yeah, this steering wheel, shift knob, paddle shifter covers were all installed and bought from KBTuning. Let's talk about a couple stuff that I hate about how the car drives. Alright, so as you guys just saw, let's say I'm rolling to, I'm not on the brakes, but I'm rolling to a stop at a red light, and then all of a sudden it becomes green. I press the gas again. The transmission doesn't know whether or not to like upshift or downshift. It's like fighting with me. But that's why I'm glad I got the 2022. It has sport mode at least. But then again, you're not really buying a Camry for these type of things. But yeah, this is very weird. Again, guys, please bear with me, because I have not recorded a POV drive video ever. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys do want to see more videos like this, subscribe if you are new with post notifications on, and hit the like button. I'd really appreciate it. But once we get on the highway, I'll push it a little bit just so you guys can hear how the car sounds. There's an M4 right there. That looks nice. Wow. It's a nice green color too. we are in a little bit of traffic right now because we're right before the highway, so I'm not gonna show you guys too much. But before we get on the highway, I do want you guys to know I do really appreciate the recent support on the YouTube channel. The video I made about me going catless and the video I made about installing the new daytime running lights in the front of the car, those did absolutely amazing. I appreciate all of you, and you know, Happy New Year to everybody. This video is probably gonna be posted sometime late in January, but today is Wednesday, January 10th. So yeah, we got some huge stuff planned for this car, and you know, I can't wait. If you guys do own a 2018 or 2024 Camry and you're watching this video and you are looking to purchase, let's say, weapon R headers, an AEM cold air intake, or a catback exhaust, I may potentially be selling mine. So if you guys do want to purchase mine, you can hit me up and we can talk about the pricing and stuff. But I might be wanting to sell mine because I do got a couple plans for this car that I want to do. No, I'm not selling this car, but we do have a couple plans we want to do. And I also, if you guys don't know, I do have air suspension on this car, so if you guys do want to possibly purchase that, I just got it in September, so it's literally brand new. If you guys want to purchase that, you can hit me up on Instagram as well, and we could talk about how we could ship that out, stuff like that. But I cannot wait for what we got planned for this car. We're gonna skip to me getting on the highway. I'm gonna shift it over to manual mode, and yeah, we're basically gonna be using the paddle shifters and showing you guys what this base model Camry is about. It's definitely not fast, but it is loud. So let's skip to that part. Alright, so let's turn on the steering wheel. Basically, when you turn your lights on, the steering wheel will turn on. Look at this little animation it gives you, which is nice. We're in 4th gear, sport mode as well. So you're probably not gonna be able to see the lights much because it's daytime, but there's not much traffic. It's like 1:30 right now, so sorry, 1:47. And if you guys didn't know, this car is tuned with pops and bangs. So if you guys do want to stay tuned for videos where I do POV drives and actually go somewhere where, you know, I can show you guys the pops and bangs, stuff like that, make sure you subscribe and post notifications on, because we got a whole bunch of videos coming out like this one. So I can't wait. It's gonna be crazy because, you know, POV drives, like I said guys, this is my first ever POV drive video, so I don't want to do too much while I first get used to it. But once I'm used to it, trust me guys, I'll do way more stuff, you know, like letting you guys hear the car and stuff like that. Could do like a little pull up here since it's just going to be a straight line, but we're gonna chill today just for this video, and because of the just for the sake of that it's my first time doing a POV drive video, and you know, I don't want to mess anything up obviously. But let's talk about how, you know, all the mods that I do have on this car. So we have Magnaflow catback exhaust on this thing, and for those of you who are watching this video who have nothing to know about Camrys, this car does have a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine, so don't think it's anything special. It's not even, it's literally a naturally aspirated engine. But we have a Magnaflow catback exhaust, AEM intake, weapon R headers, and we are tuned on a stage 2 more aggressive tune with pops and bangs, which is for, you know, the car is raspy as fuck, don't get me wrong, but you know, it's funny. Obviously I know the car sounds like shit, so for everybody that comments that, I know I just do it for the fun of it. It's whatever, you know. I'm not gonna have this car for my whole life. But we are catless. We did put on an aftermarket resonator. Yeah, if you guys do have any questions or want to know anything about the parts or mods that I do have on this car, please feel free to comment down below or DM me on Instagram. I'm more than happy to help you guys and let you know. But there's some traffic up here. This video is probably something about cutting up, so hopefully when we get on the next highway, which this is definitely in Mexico, we will continue there and see if we could get some clips of me driving safe, you know, doing the speed limit. But yeah, this definitely feels weird, you know. Definitely feels weird doing a POV drive video right now because I've never done it. I don't know if you guys saw that when I pressed the downshift button, it didn't do it right away. But I'm telling you, when this car actually gets warm, the downshifts sound crazy. I'm gonna show you guys later in the video because the car, I guess, is not quote unquote warm yet, or it's not used to it yet, so it's not really downshifting correctly. But once it actually does the downshifts, it sounds very good. Or it sounds good for a 4-cylinder, I'll say that, because the normal drives definitely sound a little weird. Can't even lie about that. Alright. Let's see if it does it now. Yeah, you see it's like slowly downshifting. There we go, now it's downshifting correctly. Whoa, what is this idiot doing? Don't know how to move, man. Alright, there's a couple bumps up here, so I'm gonna chill for this camera falls down, but oh no, the camera's good. Good to keep going, I think. Traffic up here, some traffic in the server. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of the steering wheel and how the RPMs look. Because this thing is definitely one of the best cosmetic mods you could do for your car. And KBTuning does carry it for almost every single make and model. So it's literally, there's no reason why you shouldn't get it. You're literally going to be looking at it every time you drive, just like how you're looking at it right now while I'm talking to you. But, okay, this guy is crazy for sure. We're getting on another highway. A different server, a different track, you know what I'm saying? Oh, the camera almost fell, but we caught it. I'm gonna try to find a better setup for the camera because I don't want to always be moving my hands trying to, you know, fix a camera. I want to actually be driving or focusing on driving because I am driving. very raspy. It is. I know. But there's a reason why you're watching this video. There's a reason why you're watching this video. But it is very raspy. I know you don't gotta tell me in the comments down below, but honestly tell me. I guess comments, you know, help with the video. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this POV drive video. What I should do to make it better. If you guys are enjoying how I'm doing it already, let me know in the comments down below. Let's check my tire pressure's not bad. We got about 225 miles distance left at this time. Oh well, the highway is pretty empty right now. Hopefully soon, when I do fix the camera setup and everything, we're gonna load up on a server with some other boys too, and you know, drive safely, do the speed limit on these highways. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see that type of stuff as well. Explain it, but you want to drive fast, or at least I do. I don't want to say fast, but I would cut up in the server when there's traffic. But when there's not much traffic, maybe I'll do like, you know, 10-15 over, unless I just want to do a pull. Like right here I can easily do a pull, which we're not gonna do that because that's something for another video. We're gonna do a pull in another video. But if you guys get this video to 50 likes on this video, and I get a bunch of you commenting saying you want me to do a pull while the POV cam is on, then we'll go ahead and do that. But if we don't, then we won't do it. For this video, we're just gonna chill, you know, do a little, you know, zigzagging. But we're almost there. We're 5 minutes away, so we don't have much left. But again, if you guys did enjoy this POV drive, please like the video, subscribe if you are new, because we got a whole bunch more coming. This guy's tailgating my ass right now. I don't know why. He's driving a Corolla or a Camry as well, so I don't know why he's on my ass like that, but it's all good. I do the same thing sometimes. I'm smelling something. So while we're fully catless, I don't know if you guys can see right here, but we're literally getting 25 miles a gallon. I think we're getting more miles per gallon than someone with a stock Camry. I mean, I don't know. Some people be having like a hybrid Ellie or whatever, and they get like 50 miles a gallon plus. But yeah, I don't know. I'm smelling something weird. I'm smelling some. What am I smelling right now? Let me know in the comments down if you're just like me. Like, if I smell some random smell, I feel like something's wrong with my car. I don't know what's going on. Oh, there's a fellow Camry right here. He got a little spoiler on, but it's a TLC, so I mean, I don't know why I'm saying that, but he got a long way to go. He got a long way to go. But I'm smelling something, like, it smells like the Catless fumes. I don't know. I think I'm tripping. I think it's just the cologne I'm wearing. But I'm sure there's hundreds of thousands of people that just like me when they smell something or feel like something is wrong with the car, and they're paranoid. But in the end of the day, we're all good until it's not. But we're taking the exit right now. I guess we're gonna end the video off right here. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys enjoyed this video, and I do appreciate you all watching who watched this full video. It's my first ever POV drive video, so it's gonna be ass. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, it's gonna be ass. We're gonna get a feel for it. We're gonna try to get used to the POV cam and all that stuff. And yeah, please guys, bear with me. It will get better, but like I say, if you guys get this video to 50 likes, and I see a bunch of you commenting that you want to see me do a pull, like where I'm in sport mode, traction off, and I'm flooring it, then like the video and let me know in the comments down below. But I do hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if you guys want to see more POV drives, and we'll see you guys